here goes nothing. Blake is jacking the truck up. We are going to attempt to put this lift on. I've never done it. I think he has, but I don't know what I'm doing. So it should be interesting. Let's do it. As you've seen in my other posts, we are going to be putting the 10-inch CST suspension on here. We also have 40-inch Fury MT tires going on and some 26-inch wheels. We're super pumped about it. Here's the Fury tires. They're 40s. I'm pumped. So it's gonna be much bigger than this truck. These are 24s on, what are these, 38s, right? Yeah, on 38s. So it's gonna be a lot bigger than this truck. We got one torsion key out. Blake just showed me how all that works.
Blake just found out how it works too. Also, Blake don't have a voice.
Yeah, Blake lost his voice last night.
Too many titties.
Where's Lola? There she is.
Our helper left the building.
She's done.
Damn it.
Dude, I'm so excited. I feel like this is gonna be a lot easier than I thought.
I feel like this little thing keeps falling out of this hole. It's pissing me off.
Need help?
No.
Here's Blake's side.
I'm buzzing.
Here's my side. I'm a little behind. Because I can't get these broke loose. The caliper bolts.
You can't get who?
The caliper bolts loose. And I gotta do that first before I can take anything else off.
When you gotta call daddy to the job. Well, you know, first thing you gotta do is put that knee pad down right there. You go, all right, there we go.
Let me go get my rags and cut my hands.
I couldn't figure out why she wasn't turning loose, but yeah.
I was nervous, but it's really not hard at all.
Well, we put it back together. Gonna need a lower ball joint because Blake done bit that thing up there too.
CST makes it so easy. Look at their instructions. It's literally like word for word. So it's like just pages and pages. I'm a little extra, so I put checks next to them, but it literally tells you what size socket, what size everything, has pictures. Like, it's dummy proof.
I can knock some top ones loose like that?
Probably. Show you guys why I couldn't get this done. Oh my God, I can't even hold it. Wow.
Oh God, really? Now you got the tie rod in the way.
Hold on, I got it. There we go.
I'll tell you what.
We're back, people. I believe in you. Here I am just trying to show off your strength. You're talking shit about me. God. You got it.
That's over there.
God. It's crazy to me.
A little tight.
Oh, a lot tight. What?
Nothing. Yeah.
Do you need me to hold anything?
I need that hammer to tap that bottom. God, why you put me on camera so close like that? You gotta warn me.
I just brought everything, just in case.
Yeah, that one's coming out easy.
Okay, cool.
That loose?
God.
Which one are you pushing on?
The socket.
Fuck it. You want me to show you something? It's always easier to knock the nut loose first.
Okay.
So you hold the socket.
I got the socket. Hold up. Oh my goodness. The sun is like right in my eyes. God. It's here. Oh, look at me go. We're just gonna put that part in the video.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
God.
I can't see nothing.
Well, pay attention. I'm just gonna let you know the last one smells really bad. Please. Okay, go down.
Good?
Yeah, you can go a little faster.
Pull it.
Go down. Down.
Touch your feet.
Just go down, please.
All right. Good job. Break time. All right, so we're about to do the last step before putting everything back together with all the CST parts. And the last part is cutting whatever this is, holds the differential. And we have to cut it to make room. And it's so crazy because if you would have known us 5 years ago, the fact that we're about to cut into our 2024 Denali Ultimate is insane. What do you think, Blake?
I think we should have jacked it up 3 inches more because all this shit's in my hair.
You need a clip?
No.
You want your hat? Like your welding hat. You can put your hair up in it?
No.
Okay.
I've been getting a lot of hate for that on the old media lately, you know.
Who? You're so full of it.
All right, well.
Here we go.
You got to move.
Come on, Lola. Used to, we couldn't afford the blade that's about to cut into the truck, so here goes. We officially have our first part on.
Hey, why do you say it like that?
What do you
Why
mean?
your face like that?
Why you look like that? Katie's
Oh,
here.
ugly.
Katie showed up for moral support. She burned half her ass cheek off earlier doing car things.
Doing car things? By the way, she drives a Mustang, so that explains the burn.
Ow, ow! Gotta get some footage of Katie working over here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh yeah. They said we couldn't do it. Look at us. Only 5 hours in, guys.
What time is it anyways?
What time is it? We
Keeping.
started at 3. It's 11. But
Well,
we
we-
had
we
dinner
had a-
break, lots of potty breaks, lots of claw breaks.
Yeah, I pooped my pants.
We are back at the torsion keys. I'm tired. I just told them I know why everyone does the California lean, because they do the front and then they're too tired to do the back. But we're almost there. We got one more torsion key and then we move to the back. You got like options, like whole options or something?
Whole options.
Bow, bow, bow. Hold on, lean up. Yeah, that's poor Lola.
What that booty be? Lola baby be. You spit on me. Beep beep. Stop one.
Oh, girl, I think my booty growing.
Growing. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, gas, no brakes. I wish I could talk.
Need a nut?
You need a nut, Blake?
So exciting. We're putting the front wheels on. Fixing to start on the back. And it doesn't look like the back is a whole lot that goes into it. I mean, it's a lot, but nothing probably compared to the front up here. We're gonna get the wheels on, get the jacks down, and we're gonna turn it around. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, ready?
Go to head, go to head. Coming down.
Okay. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Let's get the other side. Yeah. On stock, it's about as tall as that one. Got that California lean.
That's that, what you call it? South Carolina shit.
No, this thing is gonna be huge. It's taller than me on stock wheels and tires. And I'm 5'8". Big Daddy.
Holy guacamole.
There you go.
Shit. They recommend 2 people.
I'm one person.
No,
That doesn't count.
she's a quarter.
Okay. Blake's so ingenuitive.
Work with what you got, not with what you can't. Hello. Here we hemmed up over there in the lower quarters.
You need to wiggle it?
Wiggle it and jiggle it and wiggle it.
It's like down in there.
Yeah, I know. We gotta pick it up with a prop ball.
Okay.
Put a bolt in there.
Whoa. Drop it down. You got it.
It's because it needs to go forward.
Oh, that's what you did last time. You did that and then you pushed it right in.
I know. I've been doing that. It ain't going in.
Oh. Did we, there you go. There you go. Ooh, I got you. It's crazy.
Crazy. This is redneck engineering if I've ever seen it before.
Heck yeah. We got it though, that ratchet strap.
Fuck yeah.
All right.
Clear, clear, and clear. Uh-oh, I think we're running out of propane.
Sounds like it. Sydney will be happy. She's sweating her ass off. Oh, it's still tooted in the front like the other one.
Well, it's gotta come down.
I like it. It'll be pretty level.
I need to bring the front down like a 1/2 inch.
Yeah. I think it's good. It's tall. Holy crap. That's awesome. I can't believe we just did that.
High freaking 5, Facebook friends and family.
We were on our way to the JTX warehouse to pick up some wheels for the new truck, but we kind of used our heads and we're sending someone to go get them for us so we can do some other stuff.
Shout out to Archie for coming in clutch.
Yeah, he's meeting us now. We're gonna give him the cash and he's gonna head over there.
So we can finish the truck.
Yeah, we're gonna take it and get aligned and we're gonna change some stuff on our Black Pete headlights and grill and some stuff because we're gonna take that to LST2. So
Just LST, not 2.
LST2, LST Junior. But yeah,
God, traffic is horrible.
it is bad. Our little dogs are so tired. We got some Chick-fil-A breakfast that we're about to get into at the house. I'm ready. I'm so glad we don't have to go.
Lily. Whoa.
What do you think, Sleepy? You ready to go home? You want to go home?
Oh my God.
Yes. Me too. There's the man
And,
helping us out.
and when you get there, if you don't mind taking like a couple